There are a lot of students that don't ever go outside, and they are missing lots of really cool things. I felt like if we could get them out in nature, not just, outside my classroom, not, around the school building, but really be in it, they would understand ecosystems. They would understand how nature has to work together.
Tammy and Shauna are both teachers at New York Mills High School. Tammy is a visual arts teacher. Shauna is a science teacher, and I have been working with Shauna and Tammy to support them as they develop their unit combining science and the visual arts.
Our big plan is to have them take a picture of an ecosystem, and then they have to actually zoom in and take a picture of something that would be one part of that ecosystem, and then they'll do another part of it, and then they have to explain how it interacts. Kids can describe things, but do they understand it, and can they put it together, manipulate it, Do they really get it? Can they apply it?
Deb Knutson came as a visiting artist, and Deb talked about all the different kinds of photography that was out there and all the different things that we talked about in our standards.
This has probably been the best science class I've ever taken because of this project. Doing these projects is really fun because you just gain so much knowledge because you're actually doing it.
I think the students took the ecosystems and the science standards and then tied the art in right with it, so they were a very equal part. They had started to look at things in nature more as artists also, besides what were requirements of our project.
I'm kind of excited. I have quite a few more actually exceeding than I thought. To me, it's important because it means that they understand the standards that we're trying to implement.
This picture is a landscape photograph taken at Maplewood State Park. The focus of this picture is a deciduous forest in the background. This picture has a unique angle of perspective as it was taken from the base of a widowmaker looking up along the trunk. This fallen tree is not only a source of food for decomposers such as insects and fungi, but it will add new nutrients to the soil, promoting new growth.
Including the art with it, I think it helped them get the picture, I guess. I don't know if you want to say that. I think they understood it more. Art and science really go good together.